Hi, I'm Sandhya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics in SNS College of Technology. Today, biomedical students are going to discuss about case study in ANOVA.
Okay. I'm here, and today we are talking about the medical testing equipment. Nowadays, the biomedical sector has a lot of equipment taken. So, if we want to examine the machine to make the proper use and surveys to the time responses and how the machine will be worked. If I want to export or make a marketing, I want to make a sample report to the government of India and ISOs and get the proof of the ISO standards. So I want to export the new medical machines. I want to check or get the sample report from the 300,000 in India. Then only the international company allowed me to export the international countries and make to marketing.
So I would like to talk about the signal processing. Signal processing is actually what is it? The amplitude, the frequency, and the power. These are being compared together by, like for example, you take EEG. For EEG, you will take the brain waves and then convert it into a wavelength. That will be studied by us, and then the health and conditions are being checked by the person. Just like EEG, EMG, ECG is all taken, like the muscles and the hearts. They are being studied together, and the proper health maintenance of the patient is being analyzed.
So, ANOVA, which is analysis of variance, is used to determine statistically whether there is significant difference between the formulations or the medical-based drug delivery system, basically. It plays a very pivotal role in drug delivery. The particles, the size of the medicine, and also the encapsulation, whether it is cylindrical or any other kind of encapsulations, and also the formulation. For example, we have 3 different formulations. We have to take the difference of them. We use ANOVA. And also, take an example, we are introducing a new drug, but then we don't know how it is releasing in different kinds of body, because every body is different in its own nature. So, age groups, drugs, and also their significance is also analyzed, where how effective the drug is and how it is made. Everything is coming under analysis of variance.
Actually, I appreciate the point where Jayshree said. So we all combine these EMG signals into a project that is rehabilitation signals. So for the rehabilitation people, we produce prosthetics like. So for the prosthetic designs, the ANOVA table is very much useful because we collect data from different kind of people. Each and every people have their own problems in using the prosthetics. So we collect the data from that. So ANOVA table is very useful to analyze whether it's significantly different by the effects due to the using of prosthetics or any other random problems in patients. So it's very useful to design a prosthetics, and it's useful for the people who makes the research in prosthetic to choose widely and improve their designs by significant their problems and effects.
ANOVA table takes place in tissue units. It uses to optimize the biomaterials, cell types, and the tissue types. It is used to classify the 3 scaffold techniques, which is called cell types, tissue types, and formal engineering.
In clinical trials, ANOVA table help us to compare how different treatment and medicine work on patients. For example, if we test 3 blood drug delivery system, ANOVA table with low p-value shows that how each drug effectively works on the patient. This makes us the doctor to choose which treatment is best for the patient.
Do you think how ANOVA table helps in stress monitoring? Yeah, it helps also in stress monitoring. It categorizes the people's doing the works. Like when we are meditating or exercising, the levels of the stress will be monitored. So by using the ANOVA table, the stress level will be monitored and calculated effectively.
Case study we learned about ANOVA. It is helpful in research and experiment. Thank you.